Yo, what is going on, you guys? And today we are going to be talking about exactly how to get started on a skateboard. So the first thing that we're going to be talking about is exactly how to get on the board properly. The two different ways for you to be getting on this board is regular and goofy. Now, it doesn't really matter which one you pick, but the way that you would ride for regular is like this, and the way that you would ride for goofy is like this. Now, the way you do not want to ride is Mongo, and that's like this. Then for the way that you are to push, you were going to want to put your lead foot up in front, and then you were just going to walk with it. And you're going to do that a couple of times. Once you feel comfortable with walking around with the board, you're going to want to put your foot up onto the board, the back one, and then your lead foot you're going to want to turn straight. And then once you already start to get comfortable with turning your lead foot to straight, you're just going to ride around a little bit, get used to everything that is around you, and you're going to ride on some sidewalks, whatever you got, basketball courts, and get comfortable with the environment. Alright, now that we are completely comfortable with riding around in that, maybe you're not 100%, but you are pretty much 100%, we are going to be working on kick turns, which a kick turn is just this. You pick up the board and you just turn it. For the way you would want to do this is you just pick up your board a little bit. You don't even have to keep it in the air. You can have it touch the ground right now, as long as you can get used to just doing that. Kind of like as if you're doing a manual. That's the way you get it up. Get it up there, and then you just turn. The faster you go, the quicker you're gonna go around, and you gotta be ready for that one. We have another little way for moving forward a little bit, so you don't have to step off the board. This helps out a lot with getting ready to staying balanced onto the board. And I'm not sure what it's called, but I'm gonna say it's kind of like a tic-tac, because that's kind of what it sounds like when you're moving. That's kind of what it is. Pretty much the way that you would do this tic-tac motion is the same way as if you were doing a kick turn, except you were barely going and moving your foot. So if you can see here how my foot is, as if I'm on the board right now, lift it up and you just slightly move left and right. For slowing down and stopping, it'd be the exact same way as you were pushing, except you're going to put a little bit more force down into it so you can help yourself slow it down. And there is also the other alternative of just jumping off the board, but if you do that, you better make sure you're running, because if you stop, you're going to get hurt real badly. I know someone who got really hurt from that. We don't have that on camera though, but just make sure you are to keep on running. And yeah, that's basically all I had for you guys today. Thank you guys for watching all the way to the end. Hopefully this actually did help you out a lot with starting out the skateboarding, and the tricks and everything else will come afterwards. And yeah, that's basically all I had for you guys today. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.